Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss mobile cloud computing. That means we can access any type of service provided by cloud computing with the help of our mobile or smartphone, right? But the only thing here to remember is that our mobile phone should have some features like it should have rich internet media support. That is always in every mobile phone in today's world, right? And our mobile phone should require less processing. Next point we should have is it should consume less power, right? All these are the key points if we want to access any cloud service with the help of mobile computer. With the help of mobile system, right? In MCC means mobile cloud computing, right? Processing is done in cloud. That means data is stored, all the data is stored in cloud, and mobile devices serve as media for display only. That means in our smartphone, every data is stored on cloud, right? As we have discussed earlier, everything with the help of cloud computing is stored in cloud with the help of internet, right? And the mobile device only works to display everything. As we all know, in today's world, every smartphone or every mobiles are employed with rich cloud services by integrating applications that consume some web services, right? We can access all the cloud services if we are using some web services. These web services are deployed with the help of cloud only, right? And there are we have several smartphone operating systems with the help of which we can access cloud services. These software operating systems are, we all know their name, that is Google's Android. This is the most commonly used operating system, right? Also Apple's I operating system. Next is RIM, BlackBerry, and next is Windows mobile phone. If we have any of these type of operating system in our mobile phone, then definitely we can easily access cloud service. We can easily access any type of cloud service like infrastructure as a service, software as a service, or we can also get platform as a service, right? Now we will discuss the types of cloud resources. There are mainly 4 types of cloud resources. The first type is distant mobile cloud. Second point we have is proximate mobile computing entities, right? Third point we have is proximate in mobile, right? This is proximate mobile entity. The fourth point we have is hybrid. Okay, you should remember all these points, but there is no need to get in detail of these points, right? Now there are some issues of using mobile cloud computing services. There are some issues. The first issue we have is emergency efficient transmission, right? That means there should be frequent transmission of information between cloud and the mobile devices. Between cloud and our mobile devices, there should be frequent transmission, right? Next issue we have is architectural issue. architectural issue, right? That means mobile cloud computing is required to make architectural neural because of heterogeneous environments. This is taken under architectural issues. Next point we have is security and privacy issue. Security and privacy issue. As we have discussed in my previous video, that is security is the major concern in case of cloud computing, right? Here there is one of the major issue because mobile users share their personal information over the cloud, so there is less security of our data, right? So this is all about mobile cloud computing. Thank you so much for watching this video.